I'm telling y'all, man, I love how my crown's coming along. Remember, it's only been a few days since I showed y'all how to prevent your weak sides from happening, or how to fix your weak sides quick. And I showed y'all that my crown was my weak side, and look at it right now. That joint coming in, man. So we just doing a quick crown session right now, because I figured I know how I'm gonna do the 360 pattern but still have that swirl. I want the swirl to be as small as possible. So if you're brushing for a 360 regular beehive pattern, you brush like this. And I'm just using the soft brush, so it's no real pull. Yeah, so my memory card died, but we back though. So, yeah, man, look at this. Simple motion, kind of brushing from the crown outward. So, looking at my crown too, the weakest part would be like this section right here. Because there's ripples forming all here, all this way. But right here, it's just a little bit. Right here is the most stubborn. So, what I'm gonna start doing is doing quick sessions, specifically for the crown, just to kind of give it more brushing. So I'll do, right now, I'll do like 5 minutes. I'm gonna set my timer for 5 minutes. There you go. Can you see that? 5. All right. So 5 minutes, and we'll just call it a wrap. This is my hard brush, by the way. CQP hard brush. And I know it looks like I'm doing the exact same thing, which I am. Just keep watching the videos and y'all will see why I'm doing this. Y'all see how small that crown is looking, bruh? Medium. Alright, so I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes, but actually no. I'll do 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes. All right, drop it down to the soft. All right, so that's it. So I'm gonna leave it just like that. All right. Softy all the way around. Remember I told y'all, when I'm not focusing on the crown and I'm not in the mirror, I use the wide side like that and just go all the way around. Like that. All right, man. Go ahead, rag up, and that's it. All right. I hope that helps y'all with isolating your 360 wave crown. Until next time, it's your boy Tech. Peace.